aluminum chambered boat.
Aluminum chambered boats. ACB boats.
Aluminum chambered boat. It's built its boats for other government agencies, oil companies, charter operators, fishing companies, and more.
Aluminum chambered boats just reached an agreement with aerospace giant Northrop Grumman to market its boats worldwide.
I'm going to do you a drop test today for an impact test that you won't believe, and then I'm going to let you drill holes in a hull and stick it in the water. We are one tough boat, and that's what we claim. We're not like anything else. If you want durability, safety, and a soft ride, that's what we sell.
3, 2, 1.
Isn't it? John, this is what I'm talking about right here. With the 50-52 aluminum, it'll bend, but it doesn't tear.
I'm sorry, so sorry.
What are you doing to my boat?
There is 0 water coming into this boat. So it passed the high impact test from 30 feet. It also passed the flotation test. Remember, we drilled multiple holes in the bottom as well as on the top of those flotation chambers. Also notice that we don't have the drain plug in the boat. This is one tough vessel.
If you have an extra tough job to do on the water or along the coastline, you need the exceptional performance of ACB's 32-foot bow loader. Whether you are transporting materials and supplies to and from a beachhead, or conducting the most challenging of operations upon the high seas, ACB's 32-foot bow loader will give you the speed, response, and maneuverability to get the job done right. While conducting first response or hazard response operations in particular, you'll always be part of the solution during a rescue. The critical survivability you get with ACB's patented hull design combines unprecedented levels of flotation safety with a shock-mitigated ride, meaning simply that ACB's 32-foot bow loader will always give you the best possible chance to get there and back again, no matter how rough the conditions. During dive operations, you will not find a better remote location platform than ACB's 32-foot bow loader. As many as 12 divers can deploy from either the bow ramp or from the side rails. Divers can easily reboard using the bow ramp or come up the custom dive ladder. With up to 111 square feet of cargo space and an extra wide bow ramp, imagine what tools of the trade you will now be able to transport and deploy using ACB's 32-foot bow loader.
One of the doctors in a medical clinic located here in Juneau, Alaska, and I had this boat designed and built by ACB for the purpose of servicing outlying medical clinics. And we needed a boat that was stable, fast, efficient, and could handle pretty much any kind of sea. We've had it out about 60 miles outside of Juneau so far in just about every kind of weather. Even in 6-foot seas, fully loaded, the thing still has excellent performance, excellent stability. So it gives us the ability to go into clinics and, say, in the event of an emergency, transport a patient, bring in supplies, and we can even use the boat for rescue. We can offload a four-wheeler. We can bring in personnel as needed. So overall, we've got unlimited capabilities with this boat. But the main issues were the safety and stability, and to that extent, our expectations have been far exceeded.
U.S. Border Patrol decided upon Bellingham Bay in Washington State as the site of the 2003 Marine Performance Trials. Several boat manufacturers were invited, only 5 answered the challenge. The U.S. Navy, U.S. Marine Corps, the U.S. Border Patrol, and several other federal agencies were in attendance for the trials. To ensure the Marine Performance Trial test results were accurate, radar guns were used to monitor each boat's performance. ACB boats competed with Zodiac, Safe Boat, Protector, and Ambar boats. In the video comparisons that follow, you'll see both full screen and split screen performance trial results. The video playback speed has not been altered in any way. However, in the split screen comparisons, the video has been compressed to fit inside the same screen.
45.
Notice the flat cornering ability of an ACB that allows combat crew members to never lose sight of the target.
That's top end 46. 46, 30, 45, 47 for that. 26, 30, 45, 49 for a couple seconds. 26, 30, 35, 38, 40, 43.
Aluminum chambered boats are unsinkable and indestructible. We had accidents in this company that I'm going to tell you about. One of them is we rolled our 26-foot DVR going to California. The trailer failed. We actually pole-toppled and rolled the boat. We had very little damage. The cabin was intact. After the accident, the crew cleaned up a broken skeg, a door, and a piece of rubber. Then we actually brought the boat back, floated the boat, all chambers were intact, and then put our entire crew on that boat of 40 people to show you how safe. The boat actually operated at 34 miles an hour. Unbelievably, nothing was done. The fact is, accidents happen on the water. They do happen. And that's why you want an aluminum chambered boat.
It's a lot more maneuverable than I expected. You look at the boat and you just can't imagine that it can maneuver the way it does. And it'll stop on a dime, turn on a dime, and it performs. It's just unbelievable how it forms. I can't believe how far ACB has taken jet boats with that boat. It's just a phenomenal boat. I don't think there's anything like it that I've ever been in or heard of.
Our goal 5 years ago when we started ACB was to build the safest, finest, most fuel efficient, and smooth riding boat in the world. We have come a long ways in accomplishing those goals. One of the things I'd like to tell you about is the accidents that have happened with our aluminum chambered boats. While demonstrating in Spokane County and filming, I came around the corner in a very tight area a parked